Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about LinkedIn audio events, how to use this new LinkedIn feature. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Have you ever attended or hosted a LinkedIn live audio event? LinkedIn's audio events will help you share the event with anyone on LinkedIn, especially if you have more followers or connections. As people learn about your scheduled audio event, it can help build awareness of your event, and more people can attend your event. So, what can you do with your live audio event? You can host interviews. You can host real time conversations with industry experts, thought leaders, or other creators. This can help you attract new connections from these people. Next, host conversations. You can create a space to discuss keynotes, conduct conferences, or any topic that you can discuss with your followers. Since you have been posting content recently and you have tons of followers, you can expect them to be eager to attend your audio event. Next, cultural moments. You can start conversations around trending topics. This might be topics that your followers will enjoy and be entertained from, so you can make the most out of trending topics. Next, celebrations. Audiences love to be part of milestones and special announcements. You can invite the community to your celebration. They want to be part of something, even if it's discussed in audio only. You can use it to host live Q&A events. Your audience who are interested in your topic of discussion will be willing to engage with you live. You can easily answer their questions during the live audio event. Audio events can be a great way to connect with your followers and unlock new career opportunities on LinkedIn. If you're eligible, you can schedule LinkedIn audio events. It can be compared to Clubhouse or Twitter Spaces, as these platforms also offer audio-only discussions in their chat rooms. Live audio rooms on LinkedIn can start from 15 minutes up to 3 hours long. Currently, LinkedIn audio events are only available to selected creators. Soon, this might be available to the general public. So if this feature is not available to you, you won't be able to see the option Event Format to create an audio event. So you might have to wait for it to be available to you. Every LinkedIn user can join your hosted audio events. You can view the profiles of participants, add new connections, and enjoy more features. You can start hosting audio events. Just tap on the plus icon beside the event section to start a new event. Another way is you can create an event using the top section of your feed to start creating a post. Just click the event button to start creating the event. First, you need to upload a cover image. It shows the minimum width of 480 pixels, and this is the recommended ratio. By default, your LinkedIn profile is a selected organizer. If you have created pages, you can choose it as the organizer. The event type should be online. If you don't see the event format here, you won't be able to start an audio event yet. So this is what you will see if the event format is available to you. From the drop-down list, choose Audio Events. Then type in the event name. You can use the 75 characters for your event name here. Then select the time zone. Below, choose a start date and start time for your event. Then select an end date and time. If you have an external link for your event, you can paste the link here. Next, type in the description that informs people what they can learn or expect from attending your audio event. Then you can add any of your LinkedIn connections as speakers. Here's an example audio event that will start on this date and time. You can see the icon Audio Event here. If your followers view this event on their feed, they can click Attend and they can receive an event update and they will be notified when it starts. There will be an option to add this event to your calendar, such as your Google Calendar. There's an option to share this event, so you can encourage your followers to share it too. You can also promote this audio event on your social media accounts. Under the Audio Events Share button, you can choose to copy the link, and this can help you get more audiences as the scheduled audio event starts. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using PostInfluence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do follow links. use ranking sites, and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. PostInfluence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves, hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try PostInfluence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.